Hey. Okay, so I subscribe to Sophiology on YouTube. Oh, wait. Start over. Again. Hey.
Hey.
So this is my cousin-in-law.
Yeah.
She is my husband's cousin. And she came over to hang out with me today. And guess what? I'm babyless today.
Woo woo. That kind of sucks for me though. I wanted to see my babies.
You'll see them later. Just not right now. Okay, so. Your mama's calling me. Okay, so I have Dejanay here with me.
Hey, hey.
And I have this here with me. It came in the mail today. And it took 2 days. So I ordered on Wednesday night. And it came this morning. Now, I saw a YouTuber named Sophiology who uses their hair. And I mentioned her name, and I got a discount. So, let's see what we have in here. Mind you, we haven't even opened this yet. So, let's see. Here. You want to front it? You want to open it? So, I got 2 bundles of 16-inch Peruvian hair. Oh, look, they gave me a wig. Yeah.
Hey now.
And then I got a 360 frontal.
Okay, they think they're cute.
They think they cute. What they do?
I'm trying to pull it out.
Oh, look, and the rubber band is around the around the bag. I'm sitting here trying to slide it out, trying to figure out why it won't come out. All right, so
There we go.
let's see. And it came really fast. It actually, I thought it was gonna ship from China, and it didn't. It shipped from California, Santa Fe Springs, and I live in California, so that's why I got it so fast.
Nice and thick.
It is pretty thick, so you can see.
Oh, this is the 360. That's why.
Yeah.
Hey now.
So you can see the bundle. It's 16 inches. It seems like it's about true to length, huh?
You have to bleach your knots.
Yeah, I think that's true to length.
We got the little hairline already.
You got the baby hairs. It's supposed to have baby hairs.
And it has a little adjustable strap in the back for people with small heads.
That's me.
Pretty nice.
It feel pretty. What does it smell like? It smell like hair. I expected it to smell funny.
Bullshit. But you are going to have to bleach these knots, though.
So we got to bleach the knots. We got to co-wash.
Here's your little hairline already.
What? Y'all show the camera.
The hairline already.
Can y'all see that? Look at that.
Look at that.
That's so pretty. Show the inside. And this is what it looks like on the inside. There's the adjustable part. There's no combs. I know some of them have combs, but this one doesn't have a comb.
Mm-mm.
And there we go. And we got to bleach these knots.
Yes, yes, yes.
But it look all right now.
Let's see it.
You know, the lace is supposed to be a silk lace. You know, they did
Correct.
that, huh?
Yes, they did.
I like this hairline though.
Yes,
Here,
I do.
check these out. It's a natural color too. It has like little hints of like brown in it. It's cute though because it's a natural color. I don't really like
this shit
black anyway. So
1 or 2 strands out of that one.
but it's a pretty decent like thickness and bundles.
Yes.
You know, like
Nice
it's not
and soft.
skinny. It don't have split ends because you know some of them do have split ends.
No.
And
And it ain't shedding.
yeah, so far so good.
Mm-hmm.
But on the box it tells you like not to you know, brush it and stuff like that to tangle it.
Got some body.
So
Movement is great.
I'm gonna, I guess, bleach the knots and co-wash, and then this will be edited into an actual video with me wearing it.
Yes.
Dejanay may or may not be here. We'll try to get her in some more videos though, because we want to put on makeup and look pretty and stuff. But what happened? Okay.
Oh my goodness.
But since I'm baby free today, it's time to go and get our nails done.
Yes. Look at these bad boys. I need to feel
I mean,
bad.
I ain't had my nails done since I had Kai. No, I got my nails done for my birthday.
Oh, I was about to say.
But then that still was a whole year.
That is very true.
My birthday was only a couple months ago. I still got the same nail polish on my toes from my birthday.
I haven't had this nail polish for a month. My toenails is way too long. They hurt. They hurt. And I'm not talking about in like closed toe shoes. I'm talking about in my sandals. They hurt.
That's when you know you gotta cut them. So alright then. I guess we'll come back and put an install or something. Or something.
Fine.
It's my first 360 frontal.
Man.
And my first time ever buying hair from Aliexpress. But Aliexpress seem to be the business right now though. Like a lot of people are buying from them. See, now the thing is I'm trying to figure out if I want to use the Gots to Be lace glue or if I want to use the lace glue from Her Imports. Have you seen the lace glue from Her Imports? It's waterproof. Yes.
That scares me though.
It's
stuff I can't get off.
Well, you take it off with coconut oil or they have an actual remover that you can use.
Oh, okay.
And you just take it and you rub it and it just slides right off. They also have a new lash glue that's waterproof. That's exactly like the...
Anything that I have to use coconut oil...
It should be good, right?
I'm in love.
At least you think it
coconut oil, you know, is nothing but greatness. In
coconut oil is what I use to moisturize my face.
Coconut oil is life. You can use that for any and everything. You can
I
cook
put it
with
on.
it. You can put it in your hair. You can use it as a little laxative.
I put it on Kai's face and she was like... I'm like, girl, just stop. You're so dramatic. So drama. So yeah, it's nicely packaged though. Like it came priority mail, and the package wasn't disturbed. It didn't beat up. Like I read a couple of reviews on AliExpress for this hair, and people were talking about how the package was beat up, but the hair was fine. And I mean, they don't have bad reviews. Yeah, maybe it's their post office person. I don't know, mail carrier. But mine came nicely, neatly packaged.
Or they rub people the wrong way.
In a bubble wrap.
They just mess with their packages.
So we'll be back. Till next time. Okay, so real quick, here's an update on this hair. So, don't mind the little flakes. That's just the glue. The Gots to Be glue. I put too much on. So anyway, so I'm sitting on my daughter's bed. Okay. So when I bleached the knots, I left the bleach on way too long. So don't do what I did. And what's funny is I went to school for cosmetology. I know better. But anyway, so I left it on for too long. So I really need to get my nails done over, y'all. But anyway, the frontal, the 360 frontal is shedding really bad. But my bundles, like, this hair is really good. Like, I can't even sit here and lie to you. Like, it's really good. It does not shed. But because I bleached my knots too much, like I left the bleach on too long, it's breaking the hair in the frontal. So when I comb the frontal, like wads and wads of hair comes out. And I'll like post a picture. Like, it's ridiculous. Because at first I'm like, oh, this hair is like really good. It doesn't shed. And then like a week goes by and I'm brushing it and I'm like, hair is shedding really bad. No, first I'm like, it's shedding. And I'm like, oh, but it's minimal shedding. And then another day goes by and I'm like, oh, it's shedding pretty bad now. And then so this is what going on like 3 weeks. Here she comes right now. Both of them are in here now. It's going on like 3 weeks because she has been sick for the last 2.5 weeks. So I haven't been able to make a video. And your hair needs to be done too. Say hi.
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 Okay, so I haven't been able to like sit down and try to make another video to like update it or anything like that. Not even to update it, but to give you guys an update of the hair after I got it installed. Like, there was no time because she was just so sick. She wasn't eating anything. So anyway, what are you trying to show them? You just want to talk? So anyway, let me show you guys
You can see right here, like, that's all bad. And that's all breakage from me bleaching it too long. So I'm just going to buy another closure and then take this out and then have her, like, reinstall it. Anyway, but other than that, this hair is, like, really good, though. And I didn't have any problems or anything, and like with the hair alone, and I still have like a whole bundle left. I have a really small head, so it doesn't take a lot of bundles to do my hair. The only issue that I have is this is my first time having a frontal, so I'm having a hard time with the whole glue part right here and the baby hairs, etc., etc. Like as you can see, like I got glue. Oh, okay. Good. As you can see, I got like glue all on my forehead. But anywho, my older daughter is supposed to be at school right now, but I got 3 phone calls from the school saying that she didn't want to stay at school because she wasn't feeling good. So I called my husband so my husband could go pick her up, and she's home, obviously feeling better. So next time I'm just not going to pick her up. So anyway, that's the update on that. And if you see I have on the same shirt in my next video, it's because I just recorded another video in the same day. So bye!